Hello and welcome to round 5 of the Defender Challenge by Bowler. From here, Ludlow Racecourse, for the Woodpecker Rally. This is Overdrive. Back in action and hoping to make it 4 wins from 4, Edd Cobley continued his dominance of the series by winning in the opening 3 stages of the rally. Gott, who finished second last time out on the Welsh Hill Rally, was helpless against Cobley and was second after the first 3 stages of the day. Damian Taft was hoping for a much better finish after rolling his car on the last rally. Taft started the day solidly in 3rd place after the first 3 stages, despite some heavy competition from the boss, Drew Bowler. Bowler was taking no prisoners when pushing for that 3rd place and overtook Matthew Mills during a stage. It's midday service, and there's been some interesting developments out on the stages. We've come here to talk to the drivers to see just how they're feeling. How are the stages feeling out there this morning?
Amazing. Strictly Defender on ice comes to mind. Quite amazing. The car, the tyres, the suspension, it is phenomenal. We've had some really big jumps where the back wheels have been in the air, and the landing and the car just copes with it fantastically.
So Ben, 2nd place after the first 3 stages. Can we expect more of the same, and how are the stages feeling out there?
Hopefully more of the same. We'll keep at the same pace. I don't really want to go any faster. It's slippery out there. The first runs were really slippery. It was very wet ground. It has dried out. But they're fast riding the tracks. We're on the large sort of knobbly Kumo tyres, which are brilliant, but there's only so far you want to push them before things might go horrendously wrong, and I don't want that.
So you're 3rd place after 3 stages. What's the comment on how the stages are feeling?
So far, it doesn't feel too good. I haven't got in the groove today for some reason. It just hasn't felt right. Like I was saying, we found out why. One of the tyre pressures was wrong, completely wrong. So, yeah, perhaps go into the next 3 stages with a bit more confidence in the vehicle. It just didn't feel right. It just didn't feel right this morning.
Cobley's dominance lasted all day long, and he went on to win by a whitewash. 6 stage wins from 6 and a rally victory. Can this man be stopped? Despite pushing hard to get a stage win, Gott finished 2nd overall after another decent rally. With more and more time in the car, it's only a matter of time before Gott can catch Cobley. Taft finished 3rd despite competition from Bowler. Taft will no doubt be happy with that result, especially after rolling on the last rally. So 6 stage wins from 6, another win. You look pretty pleased.
Very happy. No, brilliant. Absolutely fantastic. Land Rover, Bowler, Kumo, Bilstein. What a package. No, just amazing. Great organisation. The amount of numbers was brilliant. No, the camaraderie amongst all of the competitors has just took another high today.
So Ben, 2nd place, happy with that, or do you think you could have done better?
I would have always liked to have done better, but yeah, no, very happy with that. We pushed on the final stage and had a couple of spins, so I was trying hard to catch up. But yeah, no, brilliant day, great result. Cars in one piece. We've had a fantastic time, so yeah, we're happy.
Can you catch Edd? That's 2 rallies in a row now, 2nd place behind him. Is it going to happen now up in Llandudno, or?
It's going to happen. Yeah, no, I'll say that. It's learning the car. You know, this is the 2nd event where he's had a lot more time in it. Just learning the little tricks and the way they're handling. So yeah, hopefully we'll get there.
Through 4th place on that rally. Happy with that, or do you think you could have done better?
Oh, you can always do better. There's always another time. But no, I was here really to see what the cars go like, get in amongst the competitors and understand how the series has gone. We're starting to plan next year, so we need to get some accurate feedback. And first time I'd have done a stage rally, so come and have a look what it's about and see what alterations we do to the car for next year.
Any idea of what sort of developments we can expect for next year, or is it still very much in planning?
It's still in the planning. I think there'll be 2 classes next year, so we'll keep these cars as a sort of starter to it, but I think there might be a new tier to it.
That's it from round 5 of the Defender Challenge by Bowler. Thanks for watching, and if you want to catch more action from all of us here at Overdrive, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!